What's my zodiac sign, guys? I like to play this little game whenever someone asks me that question. I like to get you guys to guess my zodiac sign. What kind of, zodiac sign energy do I give off? Ali's in the live. Ali always comes on the live, always supports, always sends gifts. So big shout out to Ali and to Nath, who both sent gifts at the same time then. Gavin, thank you so much for following. So yeah, you guys, if you want to comment in the live which zodiac sign you think I am, I usually let it go on for about, 5 or 6 minutes. So we've had some Geminis, some Libras. It's kind of fun. We love it. Some Tauruses. Nath, thank you so much for the rose. I appreciate it. Taurus, Libra, or Aquarius. Someone is a Cancer in their life. We love that. Again, another person said Gemini. Someone else said Cancer. Virgo, Taurus. Keep going, you guys. Keep going. Another Gemini. Someone's a Leo. Someone's saying Virgo, Aries. Pisces, someone said. Scorpio, Joseph said. James, thank you for the follow. Aquarius, ? Leo, someone said Gemini, Scorpio, Aries. We're getting a lot of Aries, you guys. A lot of people thinking that I'm Aries. A lot of people thinking that I'm a Gemini, Scorpio. It could be any one of these, you guys. Someone's a Taurus. Eric is a Taurus. Guys, just keep guessing the zodiac sign. Someone said Sagittarius, Scorpio. Jeremiah, thank you for following. Someone said Taurus again. Ads, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Lots of love to you. Mike as well, thank you for following. Jared thinks I'm a Sagittarius. Aquarius, Cancer, asparagus. That's what I am. I'm an asparagus, you guys. Cancer, Aquarius, Cancer. Lots of people. Rogue, thank you for following. You know who you are. Cancer, Aquarius. We've got a lot. It's like it's going up and down. It's crazy. What is my name? My name's Eliza. Tomic, Conic, thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate it. Cancer, I swear. Cancer. Gemini, no. Cancer for sure. Cancer. Oh my gosh, lots of people. It's like it went up and down like so much. Okay, right. I'm gonna expose my zodiac sign. Okay, so for everyone that said, oh, it's Alf. Thank you for the gift. I appreciate it. Okay, you guys can stop guessing now. I'm gonna expose it. Right. So for everyone who said Cancer, I can reveal to you that you guys were 100% utterly and completely wrong. I'm an Aquarius. So congratulations to the people that went, she's definitely an Aquarius. To the people that were going, she's a Cancer, I'm sure of it, she's a Cancer. I'm sorry. Eric, Rose, and Alan, thank you guys all for the gifts. So yeah, to anyone who said that I was an Aquarius, congratulations, you are correct. Cup of tea, you did not know that I was an Aquarius. You were saying all these different kinds. You were giving yourself many chances to be correct. You were saying she's a Gemini, she's a Cancer, she's a Taurus. I saw you. Tonic, again, thank you so much for the gift. Someone said, when's my birthday? Yes, to prove that I am an actual Aquarius, my birthday is January 29th. So yeah, I'm an Aquarius. It's crazy because every single time that I do that little guessing game, it's funny because every single time someone says, what's your star sign? I always play that game. And, so this is the first time that so many people said you're a Cancer, you're definitely a Cancer. Usually it's you're either a Leo, a Virgo, Gemini, or Scorpio. I hardly ever get anyone saying you're an Aquarius. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Eugene, thank you for following. I appreciate it. You guys, we are almost on 40k. We're on 39.9k. Just keep spamming the likes. And if you let me know how many likes you send, I will give you a shout out. Hey, we just hit 40k. Tomic Conic, again, thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate it. MarkX75, thank you for the follow. Tomic Comic, again, coming through with the gifts. Thank you. I told you guys, January 5th, Aquarius. I'm not born on January 5th, January 29th. You're close though. Christian, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Lots of love. Someone's from Nepal. Hi to you, Nepal. Nicholas, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Paul Huggett, thank you for following. I appreciate it. Am I in army? No, I'm not in the army. Good Lord. Anyway, hello from, I think that was the Nepal flag. I'm probably not. Army is BT. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm sorry. I know that the BTS stans are gonna cancel me now. But I'm sorry. I like BTS's music. They're not like my go-to listen. What was that? You're on the recommendation of TikTok Russia. Oh, we love that. Yeah, I gotta say, the BTS stans, you guys are insane. I'm not even... You guys are crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. But it's fine. Anyway, where am I from? I'm from North Wales. It's brilliant. We love it. What about Blackpink? I do like Blackpink. I like Blackpink, yeah. Where am I from? Again, North Wales. Hi from Nepal. Hi to you, Nepal. Where am I from? North Wales. Oh my gosh. Margaret, your name started with that, or the username. You know who you are, who followed. Thank you so much. Genuinely, you guys were on 42.5 thousand likes. Just keep spamming as much as you can. Do you know XXX Tentacion? Yes, of course. B12's when I was 8. Sam, I hope that you enjoyed it. It is a lovely place. We love it. Oh my gosh. Am I Jessica? Jessica who? No, I'm not Jessica. Can you pronounce my name? I was going to, but your comment just went. So I'm so sorry to you who said, can you pronounce my name? A cup of tea. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh. You guys are like crazy. What am I doing this weekend? Chilling, honestly. I've been so tired recently. I don't know why. Scrump is back sending gifts. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. What did this person say? Hi to the motherland, I guess. Just an Aussie Aquarius. Up too late. We love it. It's great. Oh, good Lord. Who just sent all the gifts again? David, thank you for following. I appreciate it. Do you like Nepal? I like Nepal. I've never been there, but I get a lot of people on my lives who are from Nepal, and everyone, they're always really, really very nice. Have I been to America? No, I haven't, but I really want to. Robert, thank you so much for the follow. John, thank you for following. Welcome. You guys, remember, I do shout out new followers, new gifters, and I follow back people who send large gifts on the live. So yeah, it's great. We love it. Oh my gosh. Rand, thank you so much for following. Damien, thank you for following. I appreciate it. I'm from Bristol. Anyone else? Coins is trying to make friends from Bristol. We love that. Boy Chog too, thank you for following. I appreciate it. Hi from the South Coast. Hi to you in the South Coast. Eric, thank you so much for sending all these lovely gifts. Big shout out to you. Another person from Nepal. Sound like you're from Maidenhead. No, I'm from North Wales. Shock to most people. I know, I don't have the accent. I'm aware that I don't have the accent. I just sent you 500 likes. Thank you so much to you who just sent the 500 likes. Hi from Peru. Hi to you in Peru. Oh my gosh. Mohan, thank you so much for following. I appreciate it, you guys. I'm going to hop off live in a minute. However, I will be live later on. So yeah, hi from Chicago. Hi to you in Chicago. Welcome to the live. Oh my gosh, let's get married. I appreciate the proposal. However, I have no idea who you are. So yeah. What is scran? Oh, scran. It's just kind of like, if you say in the UK, oh, I'm just going to get some scran. It's basically like, I'm just going to go get some food. I think that's correct. I'm not too caught up. Scrum, thank you so much for the lovely confetti. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not too caught up with the British slang. But yeah, all right, you guys, I'm going to hop off. It's been a good live today. Thank you all for being so, communicative, sending in the chat. Thank you to everyone who sent all these gifts, everyone who's tuned in, literally so much love. I'll be live later if you guys want to hop on. It'll be great. It'll be fun. So follow me if you want to come on the live. It'll be brilliant. If you want to follow my Instagram, again, it's linked in my TikTok bio. It's the exact same name. So yeah, thank you to everyone who joined, who liked, who followed, who sent gifts. I appreciate it. Real dogs still. Thank you so much for the rose. I appreciate it. Right. Remember, you guys, I'll be live later. Keep an eye out. It'll be fun. It'll be great. We'll love it. Oh, I just joined. Thank you to everyone who's following now. I really appreciate it. Lots and lots of love to you all. Right, I'm off.